Alrighty, so here's something I ordered for the Camry. You can already tell what it is, obviously. Tein. Yeah. So if we look here, there are Tein S-Tech springs for the Camry. So, lowering springs, I mean, should be pretty good. The Camry does rub when there's like 4 people in it, but the springs are worn out, so the lowering springs should help since they have a stiffer spring rate, at least I think in the front they do. So let's try to do this one here. Ready? These came from the VR Speed Factory. So, and there they are. Oh, stupid light. There we go. There you go. Not sure when I'm going to have these installed, but there's 2 Tein stickers. Alright, there you go. Unboxing of Tein S-Tech springs that are going on the Camry. Alright, peace guys.